Today on Ugga Dugga Boys, we're going to be replacing our relay switch on our 1972 3020 John Deere. Now, before replacing this relay, I want to do a before and after and see if it makes a difference on the starting at all. Alright, so that's what it sounds like before, and mind you, it is about 43 degrees out, just because it does make a little bit of a difference. Now, moving on, before we do any actual work, I'm going to first remove the negative on the battery. Very nice. Get these all loosened up. In the mud. Get that top one off. Now move this bottom one. There we go. Yeah, get that out of there. Very nice. I've got this final side one, which looks to be very, very small. Oh. There we go. Cool. Just like that, our old one is out. Man, she looked kind of crusty. Alright, so as you can tell, there's a little bit of a difference. That this one actually has 2 posts on the side, this one only has 1. But basically that's because I'm assuming this one no, that can't be. So this one must have been grounded to like the exact frame, so it was actually grounded inside. Compared to this one, I actually have to make a separate ground wire, so I'm going to make a fancy little wire that's just going to go right around and get grounded just like that. It'll just be grounded to one of those bolts, and other than that, that wire will go down here, this one up here, this one can go right there. And just like that, we have our handy dandy fancy grounding wire. So now, it's really just putting this thing back in. So actually what would be easiest is we'll go put this on first. Nice. So this will actually, do we want to run it backwards? Yeah, we can run this backwards. So we'll actually fully tighten this one down first. What, 7/16 I think? Now where'd my wrench go? Are we still going to try and use our 7/16 wrench? You betcha. Let's get this nice. I'll take it. That ain't going nowhere. So that's one wire. Next we'll try and slip all these guys on here. That is 1, 2. If we can get it. Come on. There we go. It's gotta come from behind. Maybe? Oh, come on. Right there. Come on. Come on. Yeah. There we go. Peachy. I hope I'm doing this alright. Guess we'll find out. Let's grab a little lock washer again. That's a big one. There we go. Nice. Needs to get warm out. Cool. This one. This might get a little. Oh no! Sometimes I'm just too smart. Look at that. Bam. Actually, so we're gonna pop these top and bottom ones off. Give us just a little bit more play. Okay. Oh, that's right. I gotta actually thread this on. That's unfortunate. No, do not come off. Okay, rotate it. Actually, watch this. This is using your brain. Now, I'm not sure what size that is, but cool. Don't have to fully loosen it, but just enough. Oh my god. There we go. I can actually pull this out. Look at that. Man, I am smart. This is still gonna be a pain. Right in the mud. Ooh. Gosh, dang it. There we go. Alright. Look at that. Oh, no. Yes, yes. Ha. Beautiful. Now can I get a wrench on that? Not a chance. So is that 10 millimeter? Yeah. Perfect. Oh, is this gonna take a hot minute? There we go. Now, we slowly but carefully do this. Am I gonna absolutely crank the heck out of it? No, because this should be fine. And I'm not trying to smash my hand. All right. Now, stop one on. I'm just happy everything's fitting fine, currently. Now, I don't want to jinx it, because that would suck. That's just cool. There we go. Probably want to put that on first. And our lock washer. Very nice. Half inch. Yes. Now once again we'll grab this top bolt so we don't damage anything, or top nut. That nice little tighten down. Oh, there you go. Alright. Do the top one, get that as tight as we can. There we go. Oh. There we go. Oh, there. Get. Oh, how? Oh, there we go. Alright, now, get these bad boys in. Nice, nice. Oh, come on. There we go. Line this bad boy up. Nailed it. That's one. Just get the nut on real quick so that doesn't fall in. Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. How it even fell. Now we'll use our fancy grounding wire. Make sure that's not touching anything else. Honestly, could have made this a lot shorter, but I really don't care. Come on. Now this is the tough part. It's lining these bolts up. Come on. There you go. Look at that. Like a dream. There we go. Alright, now, what was it, 7/16? I put that back on. So, dude. 7/16. Just a little bit. There we go. Alright. Quick tighten on that one. And tighten this down. Make sure everything's connected, which everything looks good. Now finally, that's not what I want. Tighten this up. Perfect. Now we have a shiny new part. So finally, there. Put this back on. High tech. There we go. Very nice. Alright, everything looks good. Just do a quick cleanup so I don't lose anything. Alright, now let's first hope that it starts. And second off, let's see if it actually helps start better. Come on, come on, come on. I don't know if it'd say it starts better, but at least it works. So that's good. So we got that new part in compared to this old crusty thing. Now let's hope once we actually put the block heater on and when we need it, hopefully she starts. Man, that's interesting. Bucket.